Welcome! Today I am with LG NanoCell TV and I will show you the first setup of this device. So when we turn on our TV at the first, we get this kind of the notification that we have to press the OK button, the wheel on our remote. So let's make it. Let's click on it once. As you can see at the first we can set up the language. I'm going to stay with the English, and the same with the country. I'm going to stay with United Kingdom. Next we can click here to use this TV as a star mode, but of course we are going to use it in the home, so we don't want to activate the star mode. Click next. As you can see right now, we get all available inputs. As you can see, I already connect the HDMI 2 cable, so I got here the PlayStation. So there is simply notification. I'm going to click next. Right now we can easily connect to the Wi-Fi network. So you can just go here, then pick the network that you want to connect and simply input the password. I'm going to skip this step because I don't need to. So click next and then just tap on this arrow if you want to skip this one. I'm going to click skip. Okay, we got some kind of the analyzing, so let's wait a little bit. Let's see what we will get here. Okay, I think that it takes too much time, so just skip it and click to set manually. And how we are going to watch it, we'll set to box only, TV only, or TV and set top box all. I'm going for the last option and then click next. We can enter, we must input the postcode of our arena. Okay, I just take the wrong country, so probably I will be not able to connect. Oh, well, wait a minute, we'll see. Okay, never mind. Here we can choose the program tuning from antenna, cable or satellite. I just going to switch it because I don't have it. So I'm clicking on the X on the right upper corner. Next we can set the universal control. I'm going to skip it also. And right now we can use the LG Think application to connect our smartphone to this TV, but there's not something that I want to use, so I'm going to simply to click next. As you can see, the first use is complete. We can start to use our TV. And we can pick, for example, the home button, where we can find the couple of the options. We can connect with Netflix, with Prime Video, Rakuten TV, BBC, and any other stuff. And if you want to download some apps, you can enter here for the settings, and change the settings like you want. So if you found this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.